Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation on website marketing strategy setting in 2024. As we embark on this exciting journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible progress we have made in digital marketing over the past few years. In 2024, we will see an increased focus on mobile-first optimization. This means that websites will be designed with mobile users in mind, making it easier for them to access and interact with content. Google's Hummingbird algorithm has been rolling out since 2013, and it is finally time for websites to adapt to the changes. Collaboration between marketing teams and developers will become more critical. Companies will need to work closely together to create responsive and user-friendly websites that can be easily shared across platforms. In the realm of artificial intelligence, machine learning and chatbots will become more advanced. Companies will be using these technologies to personalize customer experiences and provide relevant content based on their browsing patterns and preferences. Social media will continue to play a major role in website marketing strategy. In 2024, we can expect businesses to invest more in creating engaging and shareable content that resonates with their target audience. As we move towards a more environmentally conscious society, companies will need to adapt their website marketing strategies to be more sustainable. We can expect a rise in organic search, green design, and ethical marketing tactics. In conclusion, website marketing strategy setting in 2024 will be a balance of innovation and adaptation. As we embrace new technologies and trends, we must ensure that our strategies remain relevant, effective, and ethical. Let's work together to create a brighter, more sustainable future for digital marketing.